Ready for a change? These 20 modern shags instantly lift your face. Razor cut textured shag. This high-texture style is ideal for defining cheekbones and adding effortless crown volume on fine straight hair textures. Curly shag with wispy bangs. Perfect for enhancing natural curls and controlling bulk while framing the face beautifully for an organic, bouncy silhouette. Medium layered shag with curtain bangs. An excellent choice for round faces, as the soft curtain bangs split to create an elongating, slimming effect. The Choppy Wolf Cut. Best suited for thick-haired individuals looking to eliminate bulk while maintaining a trendy, youthful edge with maximum movement. Pixie shag with crown volume. A lifesaver for fine or thinning hair on top, creating the illusion of dense fullness through short, strategic crown layers. Shaggy Bob with textured ends. Brings life to limp, chin-length hair by replacing blunt lines with airy, texturized tips that bounce naturally. Long shag with wispy feathered layers. Allows mature women to retain their beloved long length, while lifting weight away from the face to prevent sagging illusions. The Soft Midi-Shag. The ultimate low-maintenance style that hits the shoulders, working harmoniously with natural hair texture for wash-and-go ease. Asymmetrical Shag Cut. Perfect for drawing attention away from facial asymmetry, while adding a bold, artistic flair to a daily corporate or casual look. Shag with thick face-framing tendrils. Slices visually through broader jawlines, creating a softer, more oval appearance for square and rectangular face shapes. Ideal for high foreheads, providing full coverage with an artistic, retro French aesthetic that opens up the eyes. The Voluminous Shaggy Lob. Designed for fine-haired individuals who want a fuller look without sacrificing the practical length of a long bob. Texturized shag with side-swept bangs. Softens angular jawlines and high foreheads with an elegant side sweep, making it perfect for square facial structures. The heavily layered short shag. An exceptional choice for straight hair textures that need structural movement without requiring heat styling tools daily. Shaggy Mullet Modernized. Suits artistic personalities with fine to medium hair densities, adding a cool retro silhouette that frame the neck elegantly. The Wavy Shag with long wispy bangs. Enhances natural body on wavy hair textures, eliminating the flat-topped look by adding immediate crown volume. The Straight-Edge Shag. Brings dynamic texture to naturally pin straight hair, creating movement via hidden choppy inner layers without altering length. Sleek shag with blunt bangs. Frames oval and elongated face shapes beautifully, drawing immediate focus to the eyes through high-contrast framing. Extreme wispy layered shag. Perfect for ultra-fine hair, multiplying texturized volume through numerous lightweight, thin layers that lift easily. The Collarbone Shag with face-framing layers. Elongates short necks beautifully while drawing eyes directly toward the collarbone for a balanced, sophisticated posture look.